I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear I've been
Almost 25 years na, pakasal kami ulit.
Kaya 25 years ulit kami nagpakasal kasi parang doon namin nakita yung gaano katibay.
Para ma-feel naman namin yung kasama ng mga anak sa almost 25 years namin pagsasama.
can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down.
Mas lalo kong pagbubugin sa biyaya at grasya ng Panginoon sa sama ng mag-asawang si Ariel at Elisa. Kung babalikan po natin, no, 25 years no, is not that easy. As we all know, marami silang kwento. Hindi lahat ng kanilang kwento no, ay masaya.
The life we've made, but I'm so glad I'd stay right here with you through the years. I can't
Ito na sa yung kung ano yung nangyayari na sa magandang nangyayari sa pagsasama namin.
who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know.
Madami na kayo pinagdaanan. Nalampasan at palalampasan pa.
Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the
Marami kaming pinagdaanan. Nandyan pa rin siya lagi. Ganun niya ako kamahal. Very supportive siya. Kaya ngayon umabot kami hindi kami abot ng 25 years so hindi kami nagmamahalan ng tunay.
to be with you through the years. It's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long
I just wanted to let you know na I'm your daughter. Na puno ng pangarap at goals sa mundo. Gusto ko tumagal pa yung relasyon nyo. Mas mahabang buhay kasi yung mga pangarap o goals na yun, gusto ko kasama kayo.
as when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I
So, yung pasensyadong tao sa amin lahat. Sa dami namin, ikaw lang, isa ka lang. Inintindi mo lahat, bawat isa sa amin.
had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you.
Commitment na kung saan sinasariwa nila ngayon. Commitment na kung saan magmamahalan sila. Commitment na kung saan sa pagmamahal na ito, kasama sa pagdulutang ito ay ang patuloy na kalingain tanggapin ako ng isa't isa. And you've already proven it 25 years. You've already proven it. You become witnesses of such vows, of such commitment.
Siyempre, papasalamat din ako kay God. Kasi kung wala si God, di magaganap tong ganitong okasyon. Siyempre, papasalamat din ako sa inyo sa lahat ng sakripisyo at paghihirap mo. Ginawa niyo sa amin kakapatid. Lahat ng binigay niyo sa amin.
I found with you through the years. It's better every day.
Babe, salamat sa'yo kasi parang hindi lang bilang mag-asawa yung naging ano ng relasyon natin, parang ikaw rin naging magulang ng mga kapatid ko, ikaw yung tumayong magulang. Bilang asawa, hindi mo ko iniwan sa lahat ng problema namin. Palagi kang nandyan. Saka super bait mo, wala akong masabi sa'yo.
Ito na lang, ito masasabi ko, Bibs. Lisa Cassia, Bibs, tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Hanggat habang buhay tayo magmamahal, hanggat tumanda tayo. I love you.
I can hear the message loud and clear. I'm gonna make it. I can see my shot is here. So now I'm gonna take it. Gotta get up, get out. Time to stand up, get out. Time to rise up off the floor. And I'm stronger than ever now. Can't hold me down no more. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. So I'ma do it right now. Yeah, I'ma do it right now. I ain't giving up and I